This video will guide you through how to play Monopoly on Facebook. To play Monopoly game on your Facebook, open up your Facebook application to get started. Also make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're inside this page, tap on the menu bar at the bottom right hand corner. Under All Shortcut, look for Gaming and tap on it. Go to the search box at the top right hand corner and then in the search bar, type in Monopoly, search for Monopoly and look for the game related to Monopoly. After you search for it, it'll show you the result. Right now, there is a Monopoly Sudoku game available within Facebook. Simply go ahead and tap on the play button to start playing the game. Tap on play on Facebook at the bottom and you should be able to start off Monopoly game on Facebook. That is how you should be able to play Monopoly game on Facebook. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back again with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.